how do you schedule your TikTok posts in TikTok? In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I begin, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more TikTok tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can schedule your TikTok posts. Let's go. To schedule a TikTok post, you can only do it with another app. It's by another app called TikTok Studio. So you just have to search in your app store this TikTok Studio app, and then once you click open, you open up the app. This is the place where you can get the inspiration, there's analytics and things like that. So for us, we just need to schedule, right? So it's very easy. Just click on the upload button and then you find something that you want to schedule. So for example, I want to schedule this picture. All right, then you just need to click next. Click next, and then you can see here there's this icon called scheduled post. Then you can choose the date and the time. You can't see it in the TikTok app, you only see post. To schedule, this is the only way just to get the TikTok Studio app. I hope this is helpful for you. So this is how you can easily schedule your TikTok post for your TikTok account. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.